Not the most representative target as well as not stabilized as much as I would have liked. Nonetheless, it offered enough support for the cloth and offers a consistent medium for all the swords. The blade is hexagonal. The edges, other than about 15 centimeters from the point, are very meaty. The distal taper increases toward the tip and the sword is significantly sharper on the last 15 centimeters. This is probably why thrusts are surprisingly effective despite the flimsy target and the 2 layers of jeans. It is not the fastest sword to get in motion, however once moving it is quite nimble. Shoulder cuts are really the strong point of that type of sword and are surprisingly forgiving, as I gracefully demonstrate in the next segment. Given the less than stellar technique and a somewhat uncooperative stand, the cut still goes through, despite dragging pretty much everything with it.